Modern automobiles are more sophisticated than ever. They require highly trained technicians to keep them moving. Ready to upgrade your skills? Get started with the Automotive Systems Technology program at WakeTech. You'll build a comprehensive understanding of cutting-edge diagnostic technology, along with the advanced skills to repair all the newest cars, trucks, and light equipment. Our nationally accredited program includes hands-on learning opportunities. Graduates will be ASE certified and prepared to work in the transportation industry in a variety of roles, such as manufacturer certified dealer technicians and automotive mechanics.
I think it's a really good time to get into this business because the society that we live in right now is not producing technicians like we used to, which means that the pay for that goes up.
Get the training you need and start your career in Automotive Systems Technology. Explore your future with WakeTech.